Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make a custom stainless steel memorial plate. To be honest with you, at CNCKing.com we can make a memorial plate out of basically any material. In this case here, it just happens to be stainless steel, as you can see, and the black that you see is actually the annealing. So this is not etched into the metal, it's actually the surface of it with our fiber laser that's oxidizing the surface, turning it like an off black. It's not a pure black, it's more like an off black, like a white would be like an off white sort of thing. Now let's say you wanted the memorial plaque to be in the shape of something very different, maybe in the shape of a flower, any kind of shape you wanted, we can do that here for you. You can also have them done in a whole bunch of different ideas and materials. So for instance, if you wanted this memorial plaque to be, I don't know, like a small scale model of an airplane out of Corian with laser engraved details on it, we can do that. We can go as nuts as your budget is, or we can go as flexible as you want to be when it comes to doing custom memorials. What we'll do now, we'll take a look at our industrial Austrian laser with a fiber laser tube, actually annealing the surface of this stainless steel memorial plate. So you can see how that came into being. Just to give you an idea of how flexible we could actually be, here's just something I made out of stone a little while back. And I'll post a video of it somewhere on this blog. But regardless of the material that you want, we can customize it to suit your needs and suit your budgets. So for instance, stainless steel, making it into a 3D shape, let's say it looks like an aircraft, that would cost a fortune versus relatively simple, small stone. Now let's say you wanted something a little bit different, we can make it out of Corian. Corian is a man-made sort of composite material. It's mostly compressed acrylic. And it's actually very durable. And the nice thing about the acrylic is that it can be easily color painted. So you could actually add paint to the engraving that's done on the Corian. And then let's say it ever wears out or anything like that, which won't happen with the stainless steel or the rock. All you need to do is resand the surface and you have a brand new surface, and redo the paint and you got a brand new memorial plaque. So there's a lot of options when it comes to making custom stuff. We have done a few granite jobs, and granite is not my favorite material. It just, compared to everything else we can do, I think granite is generally my last choice. It's very, very heavy, so it costs a fortune to ship. You don't get amazing detail out of it or clarity. And it's just an awkward material to work with. You know, maybe just I need more practice, who knows. But you know, if I'm going to choose between granite and stainless steel wins absolutely every time. And same thing with our customers, because they like the absolute clarity they get, and they also like the precision of the details. If I did this thing here out of granite, for instance, or even marble, you will not have the sharpness that's present on the stainless steel plaque. And that sharpness actually extends into stone here. As you can see, if you look at it close up, you can see there's some variance in it. Now, it might be a little bit hard to see on the video, but it's similar to what you get with granite. So you don't get much depth. Again, I prefer to use other materials. If you want it out of solid wood, we can do that as well. There's just a lot of material options. So the easiest way for us to get around to making something for you is first to tell me your budget, how many you need, and if you have a rough idea of the design. The budget is important because let's say your budget is not very big. Well, maybe stainless steel isn't the best choice. Maybe wood, maybe Corian, maybe something else, or stone. If you have more money, let's say, then you're going into the stainless steel, you're going into the Corian, you're going into more extensive design options. So contact me at CNCKing.com for your custom memorial needs and requirements, and we'll go from there.